On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login problem in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings, open the apps manager. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Instagram. Click here on force stop and then go to the power usage details and disable the power consumption alert for 5 seconds and enable it again. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back to the settings now, and this time you have to go into the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it for 10 seconds, exactly 10 seconds, and disable it. That's it. Now all what you want to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.